Day 5 of the Inktober Tangles 2025 challenge is here, and today's star of the show is none other than star Rite. This pattern is bold, dynamic, and it practically leaps off the page once shading is added. Hi there, I'm Melanie from Hobbi 101, and welcome if you're new here. On my channel, I share beginner-friendly Zentangle tutorials designed to bring a little calm and creativity into your day. This October, we're tackling 31 patterns in 31 days, and each one will build toward a grand finale masterpiece at the end of the month. You can slow this video down or even pause and replay so you don't feel rushed. Let's break down the star Rite pattern step by step. Let's start by drawing an orb for the base of the star. Then add rays for structure. Next, join the top of the rays to a midpoint between each ray until they are all connected. Star Rite can be 5 or 6 points, but don't worry about perfection. Zentangle is about focus and flow, not rulers. Let's add shading along the edges and creases of star Rite. Add shading around the center orb too for extra depth. It looks like a cushion button now. Notice how shading makes each ray of the star pop forward? It's like switching on a light inside your drawing. Now, let's add star Rite into our grand finale art piece for this challenge. Remember, each day we're adding one more pattern to create something truly epic. Today I'm going to position star Rite underneath Toodles. Toodles is the Tangle pattern we drew yesterday for Inktober Tangles 2025 Challenge Day 4. My apologies, I lost the footage of when I drew this first bold star. Can you see how this bold star Rite anchors the composition? It's like a constellation guiding the rest of the pattern. It provides a good contrast against the striped Toodles. Every star we draw here adds balance to the chaos. This is where the calm sneaks into the details. Watch how star Rite weaves into yesterday's Toodles. It's almost like they were meant to dance together on the same tile. Don't stress about symmetry. In Zentangle, it's the little quirks that give your star its sparkle. And remember, we're only on day 5. Imagine how powerful this piece will look when all 31 patterns are complete. And that completes Star Rite for day 5 of the Inktober Tangles 2025 challenge. Take a moment to look at your tile. See how it feels with all 5 patterns together so far? Tomorrow, we'll add day 6 pattern and keep building our masterpiece. When you like, comment, share, and subscribe, it tells YouTube these videos are worth sharing with new audiences so more people can discover the calm of tangling. And don't forget to turn on the bell so you'll always catch the next adventure.
With gentle strokes, the journey starts. A canvas blooms from simple arts. In tranquil lines, your zen unfolds.